I love my Halo Black Aero discs for my Tesla. I think they're great for range, great for looks. I mean, come on, these look sleek. And I think they look a lot better than the factory ones you can get. You can customize them, you can get them in black. White, I think, looks the best, at least for mine. You can get them customized and just really any way you want. So why not get a pair of these? Now, I have a full video on the channel really going over a detailed install on how these go on. It's super fast, and I wanted to show you just how fast this is in a speed run video. How fast can I put this on this car? I pretty much laid everything out. So I have the disc, I have all the things that come in a box that you need to install it, and the tools that they give you. So let's see how fast I can put this on this. And the timer starts in 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go. So first we have this piece. I know we push it in, lock this in, and then we need to spin this piece while we hold this piece in. There we go. All right, it is locked in. We just gotta twist it more to pull it to where the center part is at the very back. And then, boom, I think we're good. All right, perfect. So that is locked in place solid. From there, all we're gonna want to do is take this piece off, and it twists one way. All right, now that's off. We have this part right here, and we're just going to take this and we're gonna go ahead and put it in here. All right, we're going to twist it to lock. All right, and then we just need this tool, and then we twist it one more time, give it a good lock. From there, we can go ahead and grab this piece that's in the box, and we're just gonna go and twist it in. This would be faster if I bought my drill, but we're just going to use it with the tools provided. Stick that little hex wrench in. Come on, come on. We just wanna tighten this all the way. This is just the second lock, and that's just really gonna hold it into place for security. We have the plastic on top of the metal, or the metal on the plastic, and give it a good crank. We're good. From there, we just take this and snap it in place. Give it a good pull. It's not going anywhere. That's it. We're done. That's it. It was so easy. Look at it. Isn't it vibe? I think it looks great. And with these tools, y'all, I pretty much just keep them inside the car in case you ever need them. They're always right there. Those are really the only tools that you're gonna need to remove this, and removing it is just as fast, if not faster, than putting this on. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you would put one of these on your Tesla. You just repeat that for all the sides. Solid, right? I think this is a vibe. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you want to pick one of these up for yourself, I mean, I would recommend it because I absolutely love mine. I'll have a discount code. You can check it out for yourself. Let me know what color you get. Let me know if you customize it in any way. I'm curious because I just got the white. I love mine either way. Thanks for speedrunning this with me, and see y'all later.